Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Am I speaking with Mr. Abhilash ji?
Yes. You can speak.
Mr. Abhilash, I'm speaking from Mount Index International School.
Talk. Continue.
And the HR has asked me to conduct your interview. So I wanted to know your preferred timing.
Nearly 4.
Nearly 4. So before 4 will do, around 3:40 should do?
Oh, definitely. Call through WhatsApp.
So
Call
I'll
through
give
WhatsApp.
you a ring about 3:40 p.m. Fine?
Okay. Please call through WhatsApp.
Yeah.
WhatsApp video. WhatsApp video.
What WhatsApp video you want?
WhatsApp video.
Fair enough.
Don't worry. The net is clear, then we can speak.
Beg your pardon?
If the net is clear, then we can speak.
On your side, will it be troublesome?
This area having sometimes net, highly, some net problems.
In that case, if I'll ask you certain quick questions, Mr. Abhilash, will you be willing to answer them now?
Yes. Definitely.
So can we do, say, a walkthrough, a voice over right now?
Walk to?
Can you give a voiceover interview right now? Means rather than 3:40, can we do a voiceover interview? Okay, we can do it now, right?
Okay.
So, Mr. Abhilash, I see from your resume that you have got quite an experience.
See,
I just
excuse me. Hello.
Yes.
Excuse me. 1 minute. Don't cut. Please hold. 1 minute.
Sure.
Hello.
Hello.
Now you can speak.
Okay. So, Mr. Abhilash, where are you working at present? Is it APRM in Kollam or you are?
No. Presently, I am totally free.
Come again?
Totally free.
Oh, you are totally free. So, what was your last job?
Last job was Blue Mount International School. That means Rajasthan, Punjab.
Rajasthan. That was your last job.
That is the last. 27th. The rank of that school is 27th.
27th on All India, is it?
27th. Totally. First profession is APRM school. That is in Kerala, Kollam district. The last, that is the 27th institution is Blue Mount International School.
Okay, so that is your 27th job.
27th. 28th, unknown. Whether it is Mount Index or as a principal or that I don't know.
Okay, great. So, in Blue Mount International, you were teaching physics, chemistry, and bio, right? That was up to 10th standard.
That means high school, nearly high school. In that school,
so when did you resign from this school?
That means
when did you resign?
Maybe August last.
So from August of 2023.
23.
Okay. So why so many changes? As I see in your resume.
Right. That means in Kerala, the Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan a बुरा आदमी है. That means बड़ा बेरोजगारी है, and nowadays Pinarayi Vijayan is taking money from the treasury. That means he is a very cheating chief minister hai. That means as a result of that, many persons having no job. That is from 2016 onwards also. This is the 8th year of Pinarayi Vijayan. He is the chief minister. That means the state, the king of the state. But now I am coming to a topic because in Kerala there are job vacancies. but not fully, not constant job vacancies or permanent job vacancies like that. That means maternity leave or Kerala PSC interview. That means Kerala PSC. That means until the permanent seat of Kerala PSC is that means the Kerala PSC seats that is registered for permanent staff. Until that, up to that time, the permanent, the non-permanent staff, that means the temporary staff may be appointed. That means per day, salary per day, daily wages.
Okay.
Daily wages. So that means whenever any Kerala PSC member or Kerala PSC staff or newly member may be appointed, this temporary member may be removed from that service as a result of this much, and also we are seeking for job. We need a job to conduct our day-to-day activities. That means to transfer. That is to conduct our day-to-day. That means communicate our day-to-day activities. So a job is needed.
Okay, hello. So that explains why you changed.
That is in Kerala. In Kerala, the present time also, many educated persons, educated men and women having no permanent job. Because this Bura Chief Minister, he is a communist party leader and he is appointing each and every members on the party basis through back seat, not through front seat. Only few members means majority, they are appointed from the CPM direction. That means a Bura Chief Minister. That means as a result, many educated persons, including PhD, double PG or triple PG, they are well qualified, they have many capacities, many abilities. But fortunately, they are not appointed as teacher or principal or something like that. But the 10th standard failed students are appointed as KSCB or KSA and something like that. According to the knowledge of the Chief Minister Pinarayi, that means totally injustice or something like that. Satan ruling. That is why many Kerala persons are seeking job outside Kerala to get a good job according to their education and something like that.
So when did you shift to Advaita Mission Higher School in Bihar?
That is 23rd. 23rd means 2022, nearly April.
So you went there in year 2020.
22. That means post-COVID.
Post-COVID. So post-COVID also you have changed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jobs.
Yes, job. That means only a part-time job. Part-time job means completing the syllabus and just exit from that institution. Completing the syllabus, just exit from that institution. That is my see. I am not a superior person.
How long do you take to complete the syllabus of the class 11th and 12th in physics?
11th and 12th means at that time that is pre-vacation at that time. Before that, the principal asked me to complete this much a topic. After that, you may leave something.
No, sir, I am asking, in case you are given complete syllabus of class 11, how long will you take to complete it?
Whole syllabus.
Yeah, whole syllabus, physics.
Whole syllabus means if the institution permits or you have to complete in your own method and your own, don't worry about the time period. The time limit is no bar. Then I can take nearly 9 months or 10 months. That is enough.
No, so 9 and 10 months will be given, but then there will be internal exams, co-curricular activities.
Definitely. Then maybe 10, maybe equal to 10. Maybe.
Sir, that much time even CBSE doesn't allow. CBSE gives us only 7 months to do that. Only 210 classes.
Then if according to that also I said previously, that depends upon the time and institution. If the institution had asked me to complete the syllabus within 7 months, then it's okay. Complete the syllabus on a 7 months perspective. If the head of the institution asks us, like a shooting, complete the syllabus according to 8 month perspective, then I can complete the syllabus according to that perspective. That according to the direction given by the institution. Hello, if a music director is
yes, sir, I'm hearing you.
And the singer is singing, but the music director is saying, first take high notes and then bring low notes. Then bring low notes, then bring high notes. Suppose that singer is a fresher or something like that. Then the singer can go according to the direction of the music director. Suppose
Okay.
if the music director is giving that much freedom to a singer, you can do according to your own ways, according to your own something. But
Mm.
the singing must be stopped within 5 minutes. That is the only bar. You can do according to your own method. Then the singer is totally free. He can sing high pitch or low pitch, no problem. But nearly 4:59, the that song may end.
Okay, great, sir. Now, sir, let us talk about certain topics in physics.
That is
Any
topic.
any topic of class 12th which you would like me to, just get
Definitely,
ourselves
definitely,
familiar with? Any
definitely.
topic of your choice.
Okay, okay. See, according to me, the favorite topic is light and electromagnetic theory and sound also. First of all, we can say something about light. Light means light is a form of energy. That means the velocity of light. See, I am saying shortly, not such a derivation or something like that. The velocity of light. Light consists of two parts. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I
Hello?
can.
Light
Yes, yes, I
consists of
can.
two parts. Light consists of two parts, the electric part and magnetic part. According to modern theory of electrodynamics, we can say that the light evolves from the third point of view. That means not x-axis, not y-axis, but it travels through z-axis. Suppose if electric field is taken along x-axis and magnetic field is taken along y-axis, then definitely the light, the resulting, the emerging wave, that means a combination of electric and magnetic waves that will travel with respect to y-axis, independent of x and y-axis. And also the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, or we can say that 3 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer per second, converting meter into kilometer. That means 10 raised to 3 something relation like that. That means in 1 second, light can travel 3 lakh kilometers per hour. That means nearly 2.99 or something like that. But we can round it to 3 lakhs. That is the velocity of light. And also, considering the light, the different forms of light, the light can also be divided. The optics can also be divided into ray optics, wave optics, laser optics, and something like that. By the phenomenon, light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation, that is known as laser. That means by using powerful laser rays, we can cut even diamond, we can cut even iron, and something like that. And also, the velocity of light is that means the maximum velocity of light we can experience in vacuum. But light can travel through air, light can travel through liquid, light can travel through solid. But the maximum velocity experienced by light, that is in vacuum. Suppose we are going through a road. In the road, there may be total traffic block or something like that. But suppose there is another way, that is a bypass road or highway or something like that. That means, suppose we are dividing that road into 8 divisions. That means 8-way path or 16-way path, like in New Delhi or something like that, or in Kerala or something like that. That means the broad, that is broader is the way. That is not narrower, broader is the way. Not I am saying in a evil sense. That means that vehicle, that bus or bike or something or any vehicle or that can travel with a maximum speed. Suppose there is no block or something, no accidents or something like that, that can travel. And suppose the vehicle is in a good fitting condition. That means it is a good vehicle. It can travel, no wear and tear or something like that, no puncture or something like that. Then it can travel at a maximum velocity. They can enjoy the tour. Suppose if there is a traffic block in one particular junction, then that means the speed is restricted by some factors. That is similar to when light travels from vacuum to air. That means vacuum means that is a rarer medium. This is comparing to air, comparing to vacuum and comparing to air. That is from rarer medium to denser medium. Optically denser and optically rare. The previous is optically rarer. This is optically denser. Then when light travels from air, that means to another medium. Here the air, then air to liquid. Again the velocity decreases. Velocity decreases means the refracting.
Okay, sir. Got it. What is you started the topic with light as electromagnetic wave, right?
Electromagnetic waves. Okay. But
What
don't
is
complicate it.
displacement current, sir?
Displacement current. Displacement current means the light is traveling. Light is traveling with a particular velocity.
No, sir, I'm asking about displacement current.
Displacement current. Displacement current. Current is
Maxwell's, you know Maxwell's equation?
Okay. Del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. Del cross E is equal to 0 and something like that. That is.
Yes. So please, what I want you to do is just tell me all four equations of Maxwell and then define the term displacement current. So equations of Maxwell in that order, please.
Okay. Here Maxwell, according to the theory of relativity also, the Maxwell's theory is connected with this displacement current also. That means here the magnetic field is represented by the letter B. That means, and also electric field is represented by the letter E. That means Maxwell described some equations, but in some cases there may be an additional term. That means there may be an additional term in addition to that means. That means del dot B is equal to del cross E is equal to and del cross E. That means cross product, dot product, etc. We know the dot product, that is a scalar form of multiplication. Here we are concerned the x and x component, y and y component, and z and z component, and just adding it. But cross product means ijk and taking the determinant. That means cross of that row and cross of that previous column and multiplying it, and then taking the second j and multiplying it. Then that is the result of the cross. That is the result is a vector. Quantities having both a magnitude and direction, that is known as vector. That is the form of a tensor. Tensor means suppose the scalar having 0 rank, that is known as a scalar.
Can we confine ourselves to Maxwell equations only?
Yes, I am coming.
Yeah, please. Sir, straight directly to that. I know what dot and cross products are. I just need you to tell me what four equations of Maxwell's are only at the elementary level for 12th class level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Here del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. That means here electric field and magnetic field, they are perpendicular, and also del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T. That is the rate of change of magnetic field. That is we can term as electric field. And del cross B is equal to 0. That means another form of Maxwell's equation. Here B and E represents the magnetic field and electric field. That is they are both perpendicular to each other. And also another term also mu 0. Mu 0 means mu 0 into mu r is equal to mu. So mu 0 is represented. That is we can represent mu 0 means the permeability of free space. And mu r is a relative permeability. So mu 0 into mu r is equal to mu. That is mu is the permeability of the medium. So mu 0 into j. That j is known as the displacement current. J.
Okay. Then what is current density?
Current density is equal to, that is the rate of change of that.
Current density is rate of change of?
This previously said that.
Okay, so rate of change of fourth Maxwell equation, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. And can you tell me the value of mu 0?
Mu 0. That means, I think that it is...
Permeability of free space?
Okay. Maybe the previous thing that, not remembering too much, 8 point something into 10 raised to something like mu 0. That means 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7.
4 pi into 10 power minus?
Minus 7.
And its SI unit is?
4 pi into 10 raised. Just to derive it. Just I have no paper to just compare it and divide it. Then we get that particular equation.
Okay. So what is the, say, derived unit of magnetic field?
Magnetic field. Magnetic field B.
Magnetic field B.
Ersted. That means Tesla.
No, sir. Tesla is the SI unit. I am asking the derived unit. Derived unit which depends on the 7 fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity. What I am looking. Yeah, in terms of fundamental quantities, how do you represent B?
Represent B. B is equal to minus dou phi by dou T. Where B, phi is the magnetic flux. That is equal to B into A.
No. For example, the unit of force is Newton, right?
Force is Newton.
Yeah. Now, if someone asks me what is the other unit of derived unit of force, then I'll tell this person that it is kilogram.
Okay.
meter per
Because
second
F is equal to MA. F is equal to MA.
Yeah, so
And
it
also
will be
M is the mass.
kilogram meter per second
Yes.
square. Sir,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
wait.
And A is
wait.
the acceleration.
Sir, my question is not yet complete. You understood the example which I have just given you? That the derived
Definitely.
unit of force is kilogram meter per second square?
Yes.
So
F is
what is
equal
the
to
derived unit of magnetic field?
we know that phi is equal to flux is equal to phi is equal to B into A. So
Okay.
B is equal to phi divided by A.
Okay.
That means here A represents ampere and phi represents the flux.
Fair enough. But phi is not a fundamental quantity.
No, phi is not a fundamental quantity, but we can connect it. We can connect it because it is a flux.
So I need you to connect it, sir.
Yes, that is why I am connecting. In the terms of electric field, that it is E. In terms, at that case, the B changes into E. But in the magnetic field, here it changes into not E, but B. That is flux is equal to phi into A. That means here it is ampere. But in the case of this much, this is B. That is the only difference. That is E and this is E. And the combination of both the two gives electromagnetism or electrodynamics. Or it can travel at the velocity of light. That is 3 into 10 raised to meter per second.
Sir, there is a very
Not 3, actually it is 2.99. Hello?
No problem. Let's keep it C. Let's keep it C for the sake of simplicity. Now, sir, there is a very famous relation which is represented in terms of mu 0 into epsilon 0. Mu 0 is permeability of free space.
Yes.
And epsilon 0 is permittivity of free space.
Epsilon
so what
0
is mu 0 times epsilon 0 is?
Yes, definitely. Because velocity is equal to 1 divided by square root of mu 0 into epsilon 0. Here mu 0 represents the permeability. Hello?
Yes.
Mu 0, here 1 divided by square root of mu 0 into epsilon 0. Here mu 0 is the permeability of free space and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space. So, this is squaring, we get 1 divided by square root of mu 0 into epsilon 0. Just applying these values, 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 and the epsilon value, 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. Then we get that particular value. Then taking the reciprocal and taking the square root of that, just applying and using the calculator, etc. and rounding it, we get the value of velocity of light. That is equivalent to not 3, but 2.99 into 10 raised to meter per second like that. That may be converted into kilometer. That is nearly 3 into 10 raised to 5.
Great. So can you also tell me that the energy density when the electromagnetic wave travel in free space, they carry some energy with them.
Okay.
So what is the energy densities? Can you tell me something about energy density in total, energy density in electric field and energy density in magnetic field?
Okay. I can connect you to that theorem also. That means, according to Albert Einstein, he says that E is equal to mc square. That means delta mc square. Here, and also m is equal to m0 divided by square root of 1 minus c square by c square. That is m0. That into c square. And also, it consists of, suppose in the equation, E is equal to mc square. Here m is the mass. When a particle approaches the velocity of light or something like that, the mass increment can be denoted by the equation m is equal to m0 divided by square root of 1 minus c square by c square. Or that term can be termed as gamma or something like that. That means the mass increment. At the same time, the time dilation also occur and the length contraction also occur. That means if 1 kilogram means that much can liberate this much of energy. That means E is equal to mc square.
Sir,
that is the mass.
Okay, sir. So, let's leave this. You have just used two terms. You have used terms like time dilation and length contraction.
And the mass increment.
So, and mass increment. Fair enough. The time dilation is a concept which is not yet proved, right? It is just a theoretical concept.
No. Time dilation means that is not only a theoretical concept. If you travel 99% of the velocity of the light and apply in that equation, definitely you can spend 20 years in the outer space. That is far away from
Precisely, sir.
Neptune or
That is
something
what
like
I'm
that.
saying. That is what I'm saying. If there is there is a word which you used, if you will travel with that velocity, right?
No. We cannot travel at the velocity of light, but we can travel nearly 99.9 or something like that. That suppose that is also not possible. But if some space vehicle is approaching that much acceleration, then definitely he can experience this time dilation. He can spend 20 years outside the space.
Basically, sir, you know about atomic clocks made up of cesium?
Made up of cesium, but that is accurate.
Yeah. Wait,
we are not using like that.
Let me complete the question. No, cesium clock we are using, sir. The nano second is possible because of the cesium clock only. Otherwise, it wouldn't have been possible.
Okay.
So basically, what we are inferring here is that if there is a cesium clock and we are measuring the oscillation of an electron, and the transition time between one orbit to another orbit is about 10 power minus 8 seconds. That is Bohr's third postulate, right? So, in total, the velocity should be about 10 power 8 meter per second. That is close to about that is close to about 1/3 of the speed of the light. So, basically, whatever time we are measuring there is incorrect. That is what we are implying. If we are taking time dilation on the face value,
see,
is the time dilation correct?
See, time dilation is correct, but in these days, almost all the space examples, for example, GPS system and something like that, they are correcting according to this time dilation. Then only this equation may be correct. But this clock is inside the Earth. They are all the rotation speed and all the revolution speed that may affect this instance clock also. But comparing to velocity of light, the rotation and revolution speed is comparatively very, very small. And also, this can also be connected with this space time and also the clock which is used by Google clock, etc. The scientists are always correcting according to this time dilation also. That means 20 years we can spend outside the space. But after 20 years outside the space, when we come back, suppose we having only 1 month or something like that. But 20 years passed by. That means 1 month is not equal to this much of 20 years. That we can feel the time dilation also. And also the mass is also increased. That means in that equation, E is equal to mc square or something like that. That is, here we can calculate this mass also. That energy divided by c square also.
Can you give an example, sir, where this mass increment actually takes place?
Yes, definitely.
Give me an example.
Yes. Definitely. I have no calculator or something like that. This is an audio. But when using a black and white board in a class or something, I can prove without that limits. Suppose if a body having a mass, if a person having mass of 50 kilogram or something like that, that is known as the rest mass. That is not the moving mass. But according to non-relativistic motion, etc., something like that, every person's mass is similar to, that means the original rest mass, not only the moving mass or something like that. Suppose I am walking through a rod, that is comparingly very, very smaller than the velocity of light. That is, I can walk with a velocity 2 meters per second or something like that. That is very, very smaller than 3 into 10 raised to meter per second like that. So, under normal conditions, we are using just a non-relativistic motion or something like that. At that time, m is equal to m0. That is, moving mass is equal to rest mass. But when we are approaching the velocity of light, our rest mass changes into moving mass by the equation m is equal to m0 divided by 1 minus v square by c square. Here, v means the velocity. What velocity we are traveling comparing to the velocity of light. Suppose, in a particular situation, if one person is traveling with the velocity 80c, that means 80% of the c. Sorry, 80% of the c. Then we can, 80% means 80 by 100. That means 2 points from right to left. That is 0.8c. 0.8c is equal to 3 into 80% of 3 into 10 raised. That we can apply in that equation. That is m is equal to m0 divided by 1 minus c square by c square. Here m0 is equal to the rest mass. M0 means suppose that person's mass may be 70 or something like that.
All right, Abhilash sir. I believe we are through with the process. Our HR will get in touch with you.
Okay,
sir?
okay. Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
sir. For the remaining things, he'll get in touch.
Thank you, thank you.
Okay,
Please,
thank you.
my suggestion is that please give me a more higher post because the teaching, I am more than 45 because I have some leg problem and something like left leg. Some persons are in varicose vein, some persons are beginning of varicose vein. So, in a vice principal post or a principal post or something, that is very good. At the same time, some teaching, etc. That is full-time teaching is more than 40. So please give me.
Basically, what you are looking for is a vice
I am
principal
looking for a
or
higher
principal
post. Higher post means maybe vice principal or a
Okay.
principal.
And then
not
along
taking
with
the
maybe
seat of
2
that
or
person.
3 lectures in teaching. That is
Hello?
what you are looking for. Yes.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. You are audible. Please say.
See, that is my favorite interest because I worked as a principal. From that time onwards, I have the confidence to control the teachers as well as the students with love and care and mercy, etc., etc., and providing all things.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Ultimately, then
Sir,
we can make the educational institution more.
Survey. Basically.
Okay.
I am only the person who is qualified to take physics interview. These
Okay,
things
okay,
you
okay.
can talk to the HR when they call.
Okay.
Okay, sir? All right. Thank you.
Don't worry. Fear not.